how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into multiple accounts in the TikTok app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone so that then you can switch between the accounts. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up TikTok and then select your profile icon to navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, you'll see your name up here and a little arrow next to it. Select your username. When you do that, you'll see switch account. From there, all you need to do is select add account, and you can either sign up for a new TikTok account if you don't already have one, or you can select login at the bottom here. I don't already have one, so I'm just going to use my email or phone and go ahead and create a new one. Once you log in or create the account, you'll then be brought to that new account. If you ever want to switch to your other accounts, just go again to your profile, select your username, and then you can just switch between them very quickly. And that's how you add multiple accounts on TikTok. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.